I hope that you all are doing well. I thought for my first video of 2022, I would do a style where I show you my 22 two-string twists in 2022. So I know it's kind of corny, but whatever. Without further ado, let's get into how I got this style. I shampooed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair, and at this point it was fairly dry. Before it had time to dry, I applied the Lotta Body leave-in that I use. I really love this because it is a heat protectant, detangler. It's just really good for my hair. I did 4 twists on the back left section, 4 twists on the back right section, 7 on the front right section, and then in a second I'll be doing the 7 twists on the top left section. The frontmost twist on each side, I did it a flat twist. My hair is fairly short and thin around the edges. It's genetics, and so I just find that flat twist around that part usually turn out better than just regular two-strand twists. I'm layering on the products using the LCO method, and the last product you see me adding is a shea butter mix. It has tons of oil in it, so that's my oil and my sealant. I brush all the products in, and then this will be the only flat twist I do. So like I said earlier, I have 1 flat twist on each side, and then I just two-strand twist down the rest of the length of my hair. To make the 7 on this side, there's 2 at the bottom, 2 in the middle layer, and then 3 on the top. At the end, I use a little bit of gel and I just wrap it around, coil it, and here is the finished style. I wore these twists for 2 days and they probably were already fully dry. By the second day, I just wore the style until I was ready to wear the twist out. Let me know what y'all think. I'm not really feeling the twist out today. The twist looked really juicy and amazing, but I'm just not feeling it, and maybe I'm just feeling straight hair. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope I help some of you out. Bye.